transform, mobilize, resist, transform. Our march through the streets today has been symbolic of the resolve of social movements, of NGOs, of farmers, of people of the world, that the time for action is now. We are saying with one voice that offsetting is not the way to go, and all those who are planning to continue to pollute and to plant a tree somewhere, to continue to pollute and then send some money somewhere, we are saying very loud and clear that we will not accept false solutions, we will not accept offsetting. We demand climate justice now. We are saying this morning that as we begin to march from here to Bella Center, and I hope all of us will march as we have done from Klima Forum to this place, we are going with a strong message that there's no more time, no time at all. We can't delay any longer. We are not looking for secret deals. We are looking for the real thing. We are demanding as a people that the world depends on us. We are the people. We must stand as the people. We are standing up for the survival of humanity. We cannot allow carbon traders, we cannot allow big business to keep on damaging the world. We cannot afford to continue to carry on with the same paradigm, the same system that depends on carbon civilization to keep on pushing us into more crisis. And so we are saying today, and we will keep on saying it, there is nothing like clean coal. There is nothing like clean crude. And so we demand today again, leave the oil in the soil. Leave the oil in the soil. Leave the coal in the hole. Leave the coal in the hole. Leave the tar sand in the sand. We demand of policymakers, we demand of presidents of the world, ministers of this world. We demand of the EU, we demand of the United States of America.